Yn y de, roedd Llanilltud Fawr a Caerau Trelai yn cwrdd ac aeth y tîm cartra ar y blaen wedi 7 munud. Josh Morgan yn ymateb i gamgymeriad y golwr i sgoriau gol gyntaf y tymor yma. Parhaodd mantais y tîm cartref am 20 munud, cyn i Brandon Griffiths droi'n wych a tharo ergyd ddau giro Riley Allen. Roedd hi'n gyfartal tan y chwarter awr olaf, peniad nerthol gan Lathan Garrett yn rhoi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen a'n dathlu mewn steil. Trodd 2 yn 2 gyda 2 funud yn weddill, cic rydd Griffiths yn gwiro oddi ar wal ac i gefn y rwyd ei ail yn y gêm. Roedd na amser i Griffiths gael ei hat-trick, am ddiffyn llac gan Llanilltud, Griffiths yn gywir a Caerau'n ennill oddi cartra am y tro cyntaf tymor hwn.
3 goals for yourself. How does that feel?
Yeah, of course. Obviously, happy we got the 3 points. We needed the 3 points today, and yeah, just to top it off, can't go wrong with that trick.
They started quite well on the front foot, but I think once we started to get hold of the ball a little bit more, we started to create more chances, and as the game developed, I just thought our fitness and our quality then would sort of show, and I think that's what told in the end.
Yeah, so I think in terms of the process and what we've been working on since I've come in, it was a lot of positives. I think for the first 55 to 60 minutes, we've seen a lot of improvement in terms of what we've been working on and what we've seen over in recent games. So that's probably increased in terms of the time, for how long we've stayed in games and how long we've been competitive for. Of course, it was disappointing to concede in the first half after going ahead. But we know what we need to do. I've just spoken to the players about what we need to do to get better and take responsibility, and that's all we can do now. We can't control what's happened now, so we just have to move forwards and try and do better for the next game.